this video we shall be understanding next chapter, that is chapter 5, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is also written as AP. In short form, it is also written as AP. Now, before starting definition of AP, we shall be understanding about sequences. For that, I have taken some examples here. These are examples of sequences. Sequence. Now here is first, second, third. Three examples I have taken of sequence. Now what is sequence? Sequence is set of numbers which follows some rule. Sequence is set of numbers which follows some rule. Now here let us see which rule these numbers are following. Here we can see that difference of these numbers is 1. These numbers 1. Consecutive numbers. Here also difference is 1, 1, 1. Everywhere difference will be 1. Means this is following some rule which we have understood. Now next, let us see which type of rule these numbers are following. By just observation, you can see that this is square of 1, this is square of 2, this is square of 3, this is square of 4, this is square of 5, and so on. Now let us come to this. This is also following some rule. How? 1. Observing these numbers, we can see that this is cube of 1, this is 2 cube, this is 3 cube, this is 4 cube, and so on. Means this is also a sequence because it is following some rule. Which rule? This sequence is obtained by which rule? Cubing the natural numbers. Cubing the natural numbers. Similarly, these numbers are also following some rule. Which rule? That these numbers are obtained by square of natural numbers. Here also we have seen one rule, that next number is obtained by adding 1 to the previous. Means all are examples of sequence, but all are not APs. Now we shall come to definition of AP. Definition of AP is: any sequence is said to be in AP. Any sequence is said to be in AP if difference of two consecutive terms. Consecutive means one after another, immediately one after another. Any sequence is said to be in AP if difference of two consecutive terms is always same. Means this is one set of consecutive terms, this is next set, this is next set, this is next, and so on. Now let us see what is the difference. In AP, please remember, in full chapter, whenever you are going to find the difference, always find in this manner which I am going to tell. That is next minus previous. Always in this chapter. Next term minus previous. So let us see what is difference here. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. So here we have found difference is 1. And I told you AP is that sequence in which difference of two consecutive terms is always same. So yes, this is sequence as well as AP. Now let us see what is difference here between two consecutive terms. Here difference of these numbers is 3. Here difference is 5. 9 minus 4, 5. Difference is not same. Here only difference is not same. Means this sequence is not an example of AP. Now let us see here. Difference of these numbers is 7. 8 minus 1. Next minus previous. 8 minus 1, 7. Now this minus this means next minus previous. 27 minus 8, that is 19. Here difference we have got 7 and here we have got difference of 19. Here only difference is not same, means this sequence is also not an example of AP. Now let us take one more example of AP just to make it clear. I am taking here 3, 7, 11, 15, 19 and so on. Now let us check whether it is example of AP or not. First term is 3. Next is 7. I will always check difference of two consecutive terms. And how to find the difference? Next minus previous. 7 minus 3, 4. 11 minus 7, 4. 15 minus 11, 4. 19 minus 15, 4. And so on. Means here everywhere difference of 4 we are getting. Here is 4. Here is also 4. 4 and 4. Everywhere difference is 4 means yes, it is an example of AP. I hope definition of AP is clear to you. Once again, last time I am repeating definition of AP. It is a sequence in which difference of two consecutive terms is always same. Two things you have to remember, difference, and second thing, next minus previous. How to find the difference? Next minus previous. Now we shall be understanding some main important terms related to AP.